Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. So today's video is going to be a kind of a life update, slight bit of a chit chat, things that I'm up to, things that I'm going to do, hauls that I really badly want to share with you guys and all those kind of things. So we are back to lockdown. There's a weekend curfew in Delhi and today is Sunday. It almost feels like we are back to square one, but I think it is a move which is in a good direction. So if you're at a place where there is no curfew or lockdown or any sort of a restricted movement, still, I would suggest that do not go out if it is not very urgent. And you know the drill, all the precautions and everything, because this is a really serious time. So a little bit of a gist of this particular video. I have a product review by Mamaearth. I'm going to leave the timestamp of that in the description box below. So if you want to kind of jump to any specific part of the video, just click on the highlighted number in the description box below and you'll be switched over to that section. You don't have to watch anything that you do not want to. So feel free to move ahead by clicking on the highlighted number in the description box below. Anyway, with all that being said, I want to talk about the sponsor of this video today. So I have two face washes and I really use these products, guys. So I will do a product empties video very soon. You will definitely see a lot of the products from Mamaearth in that particular video because I genuinely love the brand. It suits me and not a lot of brands suit me. The first one is Mamaearth Apple Cider Vinegar Face Wash. This one has apple cider vinegar with aloe vera into it, aloe vera water. That means it's really good for summers, and this one is for deep cleaning the skin. Come summers, my pores gets really clogged because I get really sweaty and oily in summers. So I need something that actually deep cleanses my skin, and for that this kind of a thing is just perfect. Also the fact that it comes with a silicone brush head on the top. It is a pump one, so the product actually comes out like a foam, which is very satisfying. On top of that, it's not a lot of hassle to use it. So you just pump it out, you scrub your face, rinse this thing off, rinse your face, and you're done. It's very hygienic because this is silicone. It doesn't attract any microbe or germ or fungus or anything, but it comes with this kind of a protective lid, so you can just put it back if you are a little conscious. So this one I've been really enjoying, and I think that if you have a sensitive skin and if you get really oily throughout the day, this is really good for deep cleaning because of the brush also. It just gives you a good massage, so it also increases the circulation of blood on your face, and that also helps, in my opinion. I just feel like that because it kind of massages your skin thoroughly without actually harming this. These are very soft bristles. If you have problem of acne or anything like that, this is absolutely harmless, like absolutely. It's so soft and gentle on the face, I can't even tell you. So all the products by Mamaearth are actually chemical free. They use natural ingredients in their products, so that's why in the long run you will not have any side effects or anything like that if you feel. Not only that, their ethics goes beyond the production of their products. So basically they are a very environment friendly product who are really mindful of what they are doing. One thing that I really appreciate is that their plant goodness initiative. I've spoken a lot about it, that if you buy from mamaearth.in, they actually link your order to a tree on a website that they plant. So they plant a tree on your behalf and they will give you all the details about that tree or the plant, the species, the geolocation of the tree, the picture of the tree. Everything will be emailed to you. You can actually locate your tree using your order ID. Also, I'm very proud to say that Mamaearth has been awarded with PETA's cruelty-free beauty without bunny certification, which is super amazing. That means in the process of production of Mamaearth products, no animals have been harmed. With all that being said, let's come to the face washes. This one is also dermatologically tested, so you don't have to worry about anything. Also, this is meant for all the skin types. This is going to give you a good cleaning experience. It's going to give you a really nice clear skin because a good skin is always a result of cleanliness. Also, $3.99 is the MRP of this particular face wash, but if you go on a lot of websites, you'll find that Mamaearth products are generally available on a lot of discount. But still, if you want to purchase from mamaearth.in, you will get a coupon code. I'll leave it on the screen for you. You can use this particular coupon code and you'll get 20% off on your purchase on Mamaearth products. But this coupon code does not benefit me anything. I don't benefit anything out of it. It is totally for your benefit. And if you feel that you're getting a better deal anywhere else, please feel free to buy from anywhere that you want to. I'll leave some links in the description box below from different websites. You can go ahead, do a price comparison and buy from wherever you want to. So that was all about apple cider vinegar. Let me talk about my favorite range from Mamaearth. Is the Upton range. I don't even know how many times I've spoken about this particular range. So this one is actually Upton foaming face wash. If you have any issues of tan, tan issues, especially in the summers, we always get tan or something like that, this definitely helps with the tan removal. I have a very good experience with the previous face wash, the non-foaming one, and this one has turmeric and saffron. So turmeric is really good if you have acne or anything like that. Bacterial problems hai, so turmeric is the best. I totally recommend these face washes, especially for the summers. Tan problem hai ya fir bahut oily skin hai, getting a lot of clogged pores. Both of these work wonders, trust me, and you can totally go ahead and buy this. I'm going to leave the link of both of these products in the description box below. Mamaearth products are generally available on a lot of websites like mamaearth.in, Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart. You can buy it anywhere. So I'll leave the link of a few websites in the description box below. Just feel free to buy from wherever you want to. That is about the Mamaearth products, guys. Now coming back to the life update. So let me talk about one exam that I'm taking. So there's an exam, if you guys are preparing for competitive exams, some of you are, there is an exam called as EPFO that is conducted by UPSC. So that exam, I thought that the exam is going to get postponed because it has been getting postponed from a really long time, like for 2 years. I filled up the form, like I think in early 2020 or the late 2019, I don't even remember, and I forgot about it, and then it was like delaying and delaying and delaying, and now finally the admit cards are out. And the situation is like so difficult because CBSE has cancelled or postponed the exams. A lot of states are doing different cancellation or postponing of the exams, while EPFO ka exam conduct hoga. It's on the 9th, and I don't think that they will delay it or postpone it, but they have put me really far. I have to go to Gurgaon. I have to travel all the way to Gurgaon. So this year, actually, all my exams are happening in Gurgaon. And I don't know if I would be required to take any COVID-19 test or what. I don't know the prerequisites. I don't know what the situation would be. We might go into a lockdown. I don't know the situation. So it's like pretty difficult. I'm also not very well prepared for the exam. The exam requires some understanding of accounts as well. And also some industrial aptitude, something like that, and I'm not very well versed with that. I have been a science student all through. I'm very bad in accounts, even though I did study accounts a little bit in college, just a little bit, but I don't remember any of it. So I don't know, but still I'm going to take the exam if I'm able to. That is one life update that is happening. Last month I was not really very well, so that's why I didn't shoot a lot of video, but I think I will be doing more videos. I feel like if you have less of pressure on your head, that happens with me. If I have less of pressure on my head for any creation that I'm doing, I do it better. So I am not taking up a lot of sponsored content. I just want to make some organic content जैसे पहले होता था. That's what I want to do. But of course you will see some things here and there because YouTube does not pay at all. But every of my sponsored content is always mentioned. Either you'll have a clip that this particular video has a paid promotion, has a paid promotion, or I always leave it in the description box below. Whatever the situation, I'm always very transparent with you guys. Even then, sometimes I do get negative feedback, negative comments, and I think that's a part and parcel of being on social media. Next, I have actually started eating really healthy. I have such a bad aversion towards outside food right now. I detest outside food. So I started cooking a lot of vegetables, lots of fruits. Like this particular season is really good for fruits. Mangoes and watermelons and muskmelons and grapes. I love that khana, that the fruits and vegetables, a lot of kheeras, kakris, all those kind of things. So I am doing that. Not that I don't enjoy junk meal here and there, but right now I am just not ordering from outside. And I have realized, I have lost 2 kg weight. I have lost 2 kgs. Not that I'm promoting any kind of, weight loss or anything like that, but it is not unhealthy. If I'm like full all the time and if I'm eating ghar ka khana and still I'm losing on weight, I think there is something really beneficial about eating fruits and vegetables and, ghar ka clean khana. It definitely helps. Apart from that, I moved to this place almost 3 years back. It's a very tiny house, one bedroom, one hall, kitchen house, 1 BHK, and I moved here 3 years back. But almost 3 years back, it's going to be 3 years in July this year. And still I have not settled to this place. You know, there is a vibe of a particular place where you go and you feel like, this is my place, this is where I can spend the rest of my life, you know. I have not come to terms with the fact that this is not my space. Somewhere down the line, I want to leave this place every single day. But you know, it's not easy to move places. Financial constraints, a lot of things, a lot of pressure, address change and all those kind of things actually prohibit me from moving. But I think sooner or later, I just want to kind of move from this place also, because this place is very tiny. If you're a content creator, you don't have a special office of your own, then the living space actually becomes a mess. Right now you don't see anything, but there is mess around me, like all over. And sometimes clutter outside can actually clutter the inside of your brain, and it happens every day with me. Even though I purge a lot, I donate a lot of things to charity. I have a big huge sack right there which is full of winter clothes that I'm donating. Even then, there is so much of stuff that I need a place of my own, where I need a room of my own where I can sit and, you know, can simply work. Like, it would be a working space, and then when I'm done working, I'll just lock that room and get outside, and then that'll be my, you know, life. I just want to have a healthy balance of work life and you know, my normal regular life. So abhi sara mishmashed hai. So I'm confused all the time whether I'm working or if I'm like living my life. I don't know. So yes, that is one thing that I'm really hopeless about right now, but I'm really hoping that sooner or later I'm going to get a solution to this particular problem, and one day I'm going to move to a slightly bigger house where I can dedicate at least one room to just work and things like that. So if you think that you'll be seeing this same background throughout, it is not going to be like that. Definitely you'll be seeing changes. I also considered, and corona thing started again, but I considered actually कि I will you know, probably visit one hotel every single month and review it for you guys. Not only because that will bring me a new background and a new thing for you guys as well, but also the fact that, you know, hotels are my niche. If you don't know this, I'm a graduate in hotel management, and I didn't pursue that career because I think I didn't want to. I got a job, but I didn't want to. I did take up a job. I worked at the Oberoi's for a few months, but then I left. But I think I can, you know, maybe I can keep the, you know, hospitality thing as a part of my life through my vlogging, or, you know, talking about it, or introducing to you guys about new hotels, or talking about new hotels, their cuisine and all those kind of things. So let's see how things will go, or things will proceed in the future. But I think a little bit of a change will not harm anybody. Maybe I'll do the pilot video of it in a few months when everything dies down and it is safe to actually go and visit a hotel. And I'll start with Delhi. That is my plan. I don't know how far I would be able to take that, but yeah, that's what I'm planning right now. And I'm really serious about it, because I'm thinking about it since last 4 or 5 months. And it's just sometimes initially it was a budget problem, then it became a corona problem. But so that has been my plan. I've been testing and trying out new tools and all those kind of things. So I tried out this Philips ka hair brush. This is the heating hair brush. This is called as heated straightening brush. I did the video last night and I reviewed it. This is what the brush is like. So that video is about Amazon video. So I'm still to edit that video. Once it is done, of course, that'll be out there. Apart from that, I have done some shopping from Acho. It was such a kind of, I would have definitely stayed in that budget. I would have definitely managed to stay probably at Taj, one night stay. But I got 2 of the kurta sets from Acho, and I just want to review it, guys. I mean, the review, I don't want to really spoil the experience, but I purchased things from Acho mainly because I got so many comments from you guys ki bunai ka review karo, Acho ka review karo. Bunai ke kuch products I have shortlisted, which I will be ordering soon, probably next week. But from Acho I got 2 products. Of course they are available. I saw really stunning models wearing them, but you know, models pe kapde kuch aur lagte hain, and when you wear them it's totally different. And that is something I want to review for you guys. The quality, the price point. Price point is a huge factor because I find Acho to be so expensive, and if you're purchasing from Acho, you can't, I think, return it. So that is a bummer. I will talk about that particular thing when I do that particular video, but I'm very excited to actually show you guys those kurta sets. So that's a little bit about my life update, guys. I'm not going to stretch this video more because of course then this is going to get like 30 minutes long and I don't want to do that. Let me know how you guys are in the comment section below. Please share about your life. Please share what exams you're taking, if you're taking any exam, or what is one change that you are observing in your life, and what is something that you're really interested in right now. Like for example, I'm really looking forward to change my channel. I just don't want to do this kind of videos. I want to vlog, go out, experience new things and bring new things to you guys. So that is what I'm looking forward to in future, hopefully. So let me know what is one change that you're looking forward to, something that you really want in your life to happen. They say that when you write a particular thing that you want, you magically give it the power to happen in reality. This is called as the law of attraction. I don't say I 100% believe in it, but I know for sure that when I know something is going to happen deep down, it will happen eventually. I just know it. Maybe this is called as law of attraction, I don't know. But just write in the comment section below, what is one change that you're looking forward to in your life right now. So guys, that would be it in this video of mine. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video very soon. If you like this video, please hit that like button and also be subscribed to my channel to be a part of this beautiful family here on YouTube. And also make sure that you hit that bell notification because that's going to keep you updated about my future videos. So I'll say bye right now, but I will see you very soon next time. Thank you so much once again for watching. I love you all so much. Bye guys. Bye.